Imagine waking up to breaking news that sends a chill down the spine of every scientist on Earth. A supermassive black hole millions of times the mass of our sun has suddenly materialized right behind the moon. The first images show the lunar surface stretching like liquid, bending into a swirling cosmic funnel, as if reality itself is melting. Space agencies across the world go into red alert. Astronomers realize that this isn't just a cosmic visitor, it's a gravitational monster capable of rewriting the laws of physics in real time. Within minutes, tides on Earth become violent, smashing coastlines with waves higher than skyscrapers. The black hole's gravitational pull starts dragging the moon off its orbit, shredding its crust, and forming glowing streams of lunar debris that wrap around the black hole like fiery ribbons. Satellites are torn from the sky, GPS collapses, global communications fail. Every second that passes, the event horizon grows brighter as matter spirals inward, releasing radiation powerful enough to fry electronics across continents. Governments activate emergency protocols never meant to be used. Flights are grounded. Power grids shut down to avoid catastrophic overloads. Scientists warn that if the black hole moves even a fraction closer, Earth's orbit will destabilize, seasons will collapse, oceans may boil, and the atmosphere could be stripped away entirely. Panic erupts worldwide as night skies turn into a terrifying cosmic spectacle, the moon being devoured piece by piece. Humanity watches as entire mountains on the lunar surface stretch like taffy before vanishing into darkness. The gravitational distortion becomes so extreme that time itself starts behaving strangely. Clocks drift, seconds stretch, and around the black hole, time slows to a crawl. Space agencies attempt an impossible mission, detonating massive nuclear devices near the black hole to shift its trajectory, not to destroy it, because nothing can but to nudge it away from Earth before the planet enters an irreversible death spiral. Meanwhile, scientists race to calculate the moment when Earth will cross the point of no return. Some forecasts give humanity weeks, others give hours. And just when despair reaches its peak, something unexpected happens. The black hole begins drifting away, not because of anything humans did, but due to gravitational interactions with the sun, slowly pulling the monster outward. The moon is gone. Tides are forever changed. Nights will never look the same again. But Earth survives, and humanity is left with a chilling reminder. In a universe filled with unimaginable giants, our existence hangs by the thinnest thread, vulnerable to forces we cannot predict, control, or truly understand.